50% time. Invite me.
All right. I mean, definitely sub 10. Like.
Well, yeah, I mean, I think we can do that for 100%.
Yeah.
Well, actually, we can't. We can't submit a run for 100% because
that's true.
We haven't gotten it.
That's true.
All right. Let's go.
Oh shoot, I could do this. That probably doesn't. It probably is still faster just going the other way for the putting the rope on the further end. Shoot. Forgot we have to wait a bit on that. The lag had you run off the ledge. It was crazy.
I saw that. I mean, I guess I didn't see it. Woo! Okay.
Good save. Super. Ah.
Me. Go. Look at that. What looks like a room down there too.
Mm-hmm. Oh shoot! Sorry.
Good job.
It's kind of hard to adapt to the
Yeah, I'm so used to.
since both runs we did
Running
previously were 100. Euro. Yep.
You know, optimize this part. Oh no.
Okay.
So you, I'm gonna go up for this thing. You can get me up. You leave.
Okay.
It's only one person's wish. I want you on that.
Oh yeah, that's right. Smart.
Stab.
Yeah, that one can be optimized really a lot better once we get that down.
I mean, it was already way more optimal the second time around.
We got a stall.
Yeah.
Shoot.
Really? Yeah. But I wish it was just a little bit faster.
Oh, I was on the lip of the other one.
We're good.
Sorry. Mm-hmm. Oh no, I've got to stop. Gotta pay more attention. Can't just hold left, right, whichever direction we hold. Shoot. Ooh. Oh my goodness, what a save. Nicely done.
Right back at you. Freaks me out.
Alright. No blocks.
We have very different mentalities.
Good.
Seems so good.
Yeah, the music is really nice. Alright.
Oh no. Nice. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, okay. Good. Better than stomach.
Right. Thank you. Good. Scared me, but we're good.
yeah. This looks so skippable, but
Mhm.
it's not.
You can jump from here. Oh yeah, I remembered.
Oh baby, look at that.
Let's
That was
go.
efficiency.
Dang. Shoot. I must have double clicked on accident. No. Okay, we're good. We're good. Oh no.
Alright, well, I'm glad we...
Both had the same mindset on that.
Whoops. 7:45. I'm not gonna hit the thing this time.
No!
Well,
I was thinking too hard about it. That's just unfortunate.
yeah, I was gonna say that's just unfortunate.
Dang.
Dude, we're choking. All right.
You do need to grab your rope, or else I won't let you through.
What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh my gosh, you're thinking about me freaking grabbing ropes, bro. I always think I don't need it, but I do need it.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, last room, right?
Yep. I don't know. Yeah. I think it's longer than 40.
It's not off to a good start. Yeah, remember, at the end of the day, 90% of this is auto-scrollers.
Mm-hmm.
Necessarily need to be pressed for time.
Oh. Shoot, I should have placed it, but it's okay.
I'm just gonna...
Okay, so that's about a minute long. I mean, it does the earlier section, like it's an auto scroller, but you can do it faster. Like it's still, you can do it slightly faster if you get everything right. We were speedrunning it. Welcome in 1-2 Falcon Punch. Are you is there a credits area? Did 1-2 Credits Punch make this game? Going to the store page. Hit Start Studios. But yes, we were doing a speed run for it. 10:32. We could definitely get sub 10. Can probably get even better. We, for some reason, for 100%, we haven't been able to find. Oh, that's really neat. Oh, Blizzard. I go into the file and it asks me if I want to invite you.
Oh, that's sick.
Dude, that is really good. Want to know some good strats? I would love to know some good strats. Absolutely fantastic game. Blizzard, would you be able to load in? Because we might be able to get pointers on where this missing memory stick is. Because we have not been able to find the last one. And we're like theorizing there's a secret room, but we just can't. Because every other memory stick has kind of been like in the open in a way where we could find it. Load level 3. All right. Let's keep our eyes open.
Setting up. Into the... You know where we're going.
Yeah.
Which, to be fair, I saw this immediately, but once again, my Celeste brain. Yeah, I don't know that I would have saw that specifically, like, as compared to any other one on the wall.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there's certain things on the wall where being like, it kind of looks like something could be here, but we're not sure.
Right?
Yep.
Sorry.
There's 4 others in the demo? Oh, man. Dang. Dude, this is like a throwback to our Quetzal days.
I know. And Super Choppy one.
Mm-hmm.
Man, this is hard. Okay.
Dude, this I love hidden challenges.
4 more in the demo. Oh my.
Other side.
Place it. I realized. My greatest timing.
Should be fine.
Yeah, it would have been.
Oh man, it scared me.
Game works for a second. Dude, the hardest part of this is not the actual mechanics, it's me precision walking.
Oh, I bumped my head. I should have kept holding. I thought I had
So,
just barely.
Falcon Punch, do you have a speedrun time on this by any chance? Considering you might have strats. You're missing lots of lore mechanics, potentially.
632. Oh man.
Yeah.
Oh no. 632, man. That is like blitzing it.
I don't think with what we currently do that's even possible. I don't know. We do have like 10 deaths. I still don't know that I'd say that saving 4 minutes is
No.
beat.
Even with
Do
our
you know
deaths.
where is there like a leaderboard somewhere? You check speedrun.com if you can find anything. Give me a
Sorry. I had to place it on the
you
stable
can't
ground.
place it there.
No, I did try.
Not yet. Okay.
Now, are you one of the developers or just been following the game closely? You're the designer. Okay.
Ah, okay.
Very awesome. You guys did a great job on this.
Hurry up.
No! I kind of thought that would happen.
You're gonna have to.
I'm gonna have to break both.
Yeah.
Yeah, when we were looking through demos to play today, this was one of them.
Immediate standout.
We saw it and we were like, we're just wish listing this now. Like, we're not gonna wait to play the demo. We could just tell we're gonna like it.
Yeah. And not to say that we don't speedrun a lot of things, but for us to actually go through a speedrunning something, that means you made something special.
Mm-hmm.
Joey is heavy enough. Yeah. Yeah, we found it through the Next Fest.
Mm-hmm.
Recommended to us. I think it was recommended to Meta, I believe.
Yeah. There we go.
Very nice.
Nice.
Oh, okay. and it takes-
Okay, it does take you back. Oh,
Alright, well-
sorry, I was not paying attention. Now we
It's,
gotta keep our eyes out, eyes peeled.
This is like the rest of the stream here. It's gonna be this game because we're not gonna play anything else anymore. Hey, can you?
My bad, dude. We don't need a rope there, do we?
I mean, like, we don't need.
Oh, no, I guess we do. Sorry, I thought that was just a regular jump.
Yeah, we did notice that there was split controls. We both did the same thing. We just beat this game in 10 minutes. It's faster that way.
Mm-hmm.
For us to do that. All right, buddy. Okay, yeah, right.
Oh, man. Dude. One player or solo
I'm curious if
co-op
there might be a
is
trap for
cool.
that room. Okay, so this room.
Does this have something
is-
up above here? Right here, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alright. Okay, just matching precision platforming.
Weird cycle, but I think we do go immediately. Shoot. I keep doing
It should be fine if we're split there. We just need to conserve the blocks.
I don't know if you can make it from the other side.
I did a short hop.
Yeah. Has to be. I'm kind of the freaking loser of this friend group.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I've played a lot of Celeste, you know. I'm just good at these kinds of games. Oh, man.
Oh,
I didn't hold
did a
long
short
enough.
hop. Gosh dang it!
Oh, dang, I even went... Ooh. something that no one's found. Haven't used it yet in the speedrun, but there's a way to build speed you haven't revealed. A way to build speed.
And you haven't used that in your 6-minute time, though.
Dang, that's also crazy.
How do you do it? How do you do it, man? How does he do it?
You gotta trust Coyote Time a bit more.
I'm trying.
Wow, I weaved that gap. I need to stop doing like just a full-on tap. I need to at least hold a bit. Man. The generous coyote is very nice. It's something where it adds so much to the feel of the game, because when a game doesn't have it, it's really noticeable. Oh, is that a super jump?
Oh my. That's getting late, I don't know.
I was thinking like it's rough having to like I feel like I can mindless most of this screen and then we have to think halfway through.
Yeah, I'm like, I don't know if we can do the other 3 streams tonight. If this is like, if they increase in difficulty.
Mm-hmm.
Not to say that we can't do them. We absolutely can do them. I just, I feel like it's going to take another hour, and I don't want to be on stream for another hour.
Right. Oh, dang, I wasn't sure how low it would go. Things are updated, Ryuji. I do need to try doing a fresh install of OBS specifically. Ah, man.
I will say, despite us having a few connection issues between us, regardless of who it is, the online connection has honestly been pretty good for like how it handles it.
Definitely the best of the demos
It's
we've
a
played.
breath of fresh air compared to literally anything else we've done.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, I got screwed over by that block.
And having it built in online instead of needing to do Steam Remote Play. Which is like, Remote Play is nice, but we definitely, when we were doing Bread and Fred, we're noticing the
Oh yeah, no,
unfortunate truth that that's just not playable like that.
I mean, but I mean, even then, like with other games that we played, had actual multiplayer online as well. This is definitely. What? I thought that was you that died. Dude, that was cool. Yeah, this is actually like
Very playable.
and handles it well when the lag happens.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, usually I've noticed when it lags, you freeze on my screen, but like, I can see you'll just appear in the right place. So it still like seems to be catching all the inputs, which is nice. I think the only time it caused an issue for me was you froze, and so I didn't think you jumped yet, so I didn't pull the rope, and that kind of put me in a strange position. So we've got to delay that second set of platforms just a little bit, it looks like.
This has to be our final room, unfortunately.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it doesn't have to be, but I kind of...
Right. Because then we are having to play through, like, the whole demo to find the others as well.
Not that I think that part's going to take that long, but these rooms are really cool.
Right.
Shoot.
Ah, dang.
I didn't want to activate the other one, but I've got a fat bottom.
So does completing these screens count towards completion percentage? I would assume. Well, that's there's still one chip we're missing.
Hey, I hit that.
Okay, completing the screens does count. I'm wondering if there's... You have a chip in one of them. Okay. Yeah, because our initial thought was like, oh, because to make a speedrun.com page, you need to upload a run. And so the initial thought was like, oh, we'll upload our 100% run. And then it's like, wait, we didn't actually do 100%, so we can't do that.
See, we can't be
right.
So hard because we can't wait that long on that one. Then we have to wait a certain amount on the next one, but also not too long, or else you're too, like...
Mm-hmm.
I'll just only be easy.
Oh, man.
Alright, is there anything I need to do?
Demo is almost a year old. Okay. Is this the first time you guys have had the demo on Next Fest?
We're always checking Next Fest. I mean, there's a chance we just hadn't seen it.
It is. Okay. Yeah. Shoot, I just spread. That was my bad. I just brainlessly walked onto him. Dang, that's tough timing for me.
Yeah, I believe it.
Do you prefer the rope on the right side or the left?
It's whatever is easier for you. I can make it to either one.
Okay. I'm thinking right side is probably going to be easier for me, so I'm just closer to escape. Steam only lets you do one. I think I had heard that before, but I feel like I've seen people work around it somehow. I want to say they made it to where it's like, oh, the demo is set as a separate game, but listed as like prologue sort of thing, so that they could get a secondary. Oh, man. Is release... I'm trying to remember since we looked through quite a few game pages. Was it Q4 2024?
Q1 2025.
Q1, okay.
Once I bring you, I have to go. So
Right.
Get on the right side pretty quick.
You're doing good. No! I jumped too early!
I even felt a little bit better. Oh my gosh, you cannot imagine what my mouth looks like.
It feels like I almost needed to do that stall, even though I know I didn't. Like, I could have gotten the button press in, but... It's neat that that stall was possible.
Yeah, if I had jumps that were a little bit later, it might have been possible. And if you were able to get the rope up even. We can go basically instantly on that. We'll stall longer here.
Dang. I may have to rely on the stall depending on our timing for that.
I'm saying, like, the first one, we can get on the other platforms a little bit earlier and then just stall
Right.
longer.
Yeah.
I feel like that's almost giving you a worse timing. If we would have went earlier, it would have been better.
I think you just... we just need to set up earlier.
Yeah, that's what I mean. If we would have went earlier, you would actually have more time.
Mm-hmm. Okay, just a little later. Sorry.
You're good. I stopped it. I like stopped myself for a second. It's so nice that, like, I've mentioned this already before, but I want to mention it again. How, like, soothing this loop is to listen to, because that's a big thing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, if you're gonna grind a game, you want to be able to listen to it.
Shoot, I'm not looking at myself. I'm looking at you. I mean, even then, I would have been in a bad spot, but.
Mm-hmm. Gonna try to finish it this year, but might be January. Sweet. Oh, why did I replace it? Okay, but I don't need to do the full cycle like I did last time. Like an idiot, no! I keep jumping like right away. It's okay, this is the one. Don't worry. How long have you guys been working on the game?
I would say a year.
What am I doing? A little over three.
Okay.
I was gonna say a year to get this amount of polish in a year. Like, this is...
A demo came out. Yeah, I don't know.
Right. The demo's been about a year old.
I program in my sleep. I'm the greatest, best programmer there ever was.
Oh, this is the one. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go. This game is so cool.
Yeah, like, this was easily the best game we played today.
Dude, even the attention to detail of this, where you pause the menu, you pause the game, it does pause it for me. The timer pauses, which is nice. And then I can open up my own pause menu. We can go to level select. We could go to level select. Dude, this is cool. We were already talking about, like, the idea behind having offline and online files shared, so that you could be playing with your buds at home, and then they go to their house and you could load it up and still play with them, and that's just so cool. And then we practically get 10 saves for, like, speed running, because we've got my 5 and then we've got his 5, and the fact that it shows who you played it with. There's so many things in this that it's just so cool. You guys did so good.
This was probably, I mean, granted, we didn't get through as many games as we did, say, in, like, this batch. I mean, but in terms of, like, our next fests, I think even though we played the smallest amount of games out of anything we've played, that is a testament to how good each one was. Like,
Right.
We played all great games today. Even and through the things that weren't great, they became great.
Mm-hmm.
Like, this was the best game we played.
Absolutely.
And then Lonely Mountains is fantastic. Beat Block, I'm really, really into Beat Block.
The Beat Block has so much potential. Like, they showed off a really good demo
I'm pretty
with
sure
that.
This game is, like, low-key already in a semi-finished state, if you think about it. Just it's gonna get more updates at this point. I mean,
Just
like I
needs
said,
more
I'd already
levels.
known about this game. I'd already known about this game.
Right. I think the thing with a rhythm game is you just need just more levels.
I mean, yeah, it just needs the custom mapping needs not just be on a Discord server. They need a dedicated website. They need, like, potentially even leaderboards. That's their next step for this. But the game itself is good.
Mm-hmm.
And then, of course, Ball Race Party. While it being
Damn.
technically not a good game, boy, was it a good game.
Yeah, we had so much fun with that for it being interesting to play, but
This is just,
so much fun with it.
yeah, we're gonna have to probably do another stream of other stuff,
Mm-hmm.
to be honest, because I think there's a lot of things that we didn't get to that I really want to try out.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Awesome.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm
These are-
probably... There's a... I think on Beating the Game there was a Discord link, so I will absolutely remove a Discord server of mine so I can join that. Yes, Lonely Mountain, it is a sequel to Lonely Mountain Downhill. And it has team up, it has racing. Team up isn't in the demo, but, like, just being able to ski down the mountain with a friend seems like such a cool idea. And I loved their biking game. So once I saw that, I knew we had to play it.
Another quick mention, just even though we didn't play it, we have been playing it, and it's gonna come out soon. It's Rivals of Aether 2.
Mm-hmm.
This game is this game is fantastic. I have very little complaints about this game. This is
Yeah.
the future of fighting.
Really,
This is
it's
the future of platform fighting.
the online connection is the worst part of it right now. Also, one that Blizzard hasn't been playing, but he should be.
Okay.
Fish Fear Me demo. The roguelite fishing game. I have to throw it out there as the fishing guy. So far, like the first one better still. I think I like the second one because I feel like I'm better at it than I was in the first.
Because it feels more like Smash.
Yeah, probably. Then again, when we were playing one, I was playing Shovel Knight, which feels like just a full gimmick character. And so I never felt like I could really judge my skill based off it because it's just like, was I gimmicking hard enough?
Yeah, I think Rivals 1 and Rivals 2. I was actually... Oh, excuse me. I was actually thinking about this and hearing a few things from people from the other day. It's just like, they're the same game, but they're completely different games. Like, the mechanics are so different. Having shielding and grabbing added is a completely different game flow. Like, yeah, sure, you have still the same like stuff like parries and things like that, but like when you add in shielding and grabbing, then parrying all of a sudden has a completely different role in the rock paper scissors that you play in the game. Crouch canceling feels too strong. Yeah, I didn't even know the crouch canceling was in it until this demo, and I had played it at Riptide, which is a like a tournament Smash. Well, I guess a fighting game tournament, and
That's
rival setups. And we were playing, and I did not notice that crouch canceling was even a thing. I guess I just didn't try to do it. Like, I just didn't think to try to do it. Yeah. But yeah, it does seem like it's a little wrong from what I was thinking. I mean, I barely mess with it. Game's awesome.
Yeah.
Like I don't know that it can replace Melee for me, but like it's definitely a better game.
It's the closest to me to
Melee.
feeling like it could actually take off.
Yeah. Just want to mention that because we didn't play it because we played it like a ton otherwise. So.
Yeah, I mean, we played. Jeez, we had to have played at least 10 hours at Riptide.
At Riptide, yeah.
Like anytime we weren't in our tournament brackets or like at the water park, we were playing this.
Rivals. Yeah. We gotta bring back Obsa. That's the biggest thing. Is we gotta bring back Obsa, man. I just playing Zetterburn's fun, but it just doesn't feel right. It doesn't feel right.
We just gotta buff the elephant.
Keep telling yourself that, bro.
Yeah. Just let up tilt and up smash hit on both sides of him, and I'm good. I'm happy. And never nerf down tilt, because I need that versus Blizzard. All right. Gonna go offline. Gonna stop the recording and get you that clip of Ball Party.
Yeah.
And then get the speed run of this out. Even though it's not a great time, it's gonna be a viable run to at least get the speedrun board online, and then people with better times will be able to submit their runs and we can showcase it better.
And then we can copy them, and then we can...
Yeah, we can copy them. It's awesome. I love when I hear developers speedrunning their own games, because it really shows me that they enjoy the game if they're putting that time to like play it outside of just building it, and to keep playing it to improve it. It's really cool. Once that speed tech is revealed, though, it's probably going to be a category split. Depending on how broken it is. But that'd be... The fact that there's just a speed thing that no one's found. That's really neat.
We appreciate you stopping by, and yeah, all best wishes to the dev work. I'll probably end up joining the Discord.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't have anything else to say. I've already sung the game's praises. I mean,
Yeah. Thank you for making it. It's awesome.
all right, man.
It's
time
late.
to go.
It is late. All right, everybody. Have a good night. Thank you for watching. I'll be back tomorrow with some Remnant 2 with Nerdy Dead and Positron. I'll see you guys later. 24-hour stream? Nope.